What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Joe. We are back with another video. Today, as you guys always know, when we get shoes for retail, it is a very special day. We were able to get not one, but two pairs of the Air Jordan 1 Heritage. Now, I know you're gonna ask yourself, well, why'd you get two pairs? Well, that's for another video, but I did get two pairs for a reason. Let's just say I want to keep one of them OG and the other one I will customize. I think this shoe is insanely clean. I know people may say, oh, well, it's just not the Travis Scott frag, but this really isn't paying homage to that. It is paying homage to a sample that was never released, but it was actually in a blue and white colorway, not the red and white colorway that you see here. It was very similar to that Travis Scott fragment. But without further ado, let's get into this beautiful shoe that we have sitting here behind me. So starting out with the box, we do have your standard Air Jordan 1 box, but it definitely does have a twist to it. As you guys know, the Travis frags, they did have a white and blue box. This one has a white and red box, obviously reminiscent of the colorway on the actual shoe. But I think it's nice that Jordan Brand decided to switch it up here with this white and red box. I think whenever they put thought and effort into the packaging of a sneaker, I think it just goes a long way with the consumers like myself. But anyway, now that we have the box out of the way, we've seen your standard Jordan 1 boxes. Now that we have that out of the way, let's get into the sneaker. Here we have the Air Jordan 1 Heritage. Obviously, if you've seen Air Jordan 1s before, you know what a Jordan 1 looks like, but this one is definitely a little bit different. I'll put a picture of the Travis Scott frags up on the screen just so you guys can see them in comparison to this one. I'll also put up a picture again of the samples that looked just like this back in the day, just so you guys can see, like, you know, what the similarities are and what the differences are. So this shoe does come with 3 laces, 1 white lace, 1 red lace, and then obviously the black ones that are coming inside of the sneaker. Now, let me just tell you that the quality on this shoe is absolutely insane. For me, just comparing to my other Air Jordan 1s, I think the quality on these is a lot better. I have the off-white ones, I have the shadow ones, which I love, and I have my royal blue ones, which I also love. But the quality on these, the leather on these, honestly is pretty good. The collar right there is fairly soft, has that black tumbled leather, and then you have that tumbled leather on the red right there, and then we have your smooth leather going up the side panel of the sneaker right there. I mean, just looking at that, this is an insanely clean shoe. But before I get into the material, let me just dive into this review. So with the toe box of the shoe, you do have red tumbled leather, and then you have a white mud guard right there. As you guys know, that's the color blocking on this sneaker. And going up there, going up the tongue of the sneaker, we do have your white tongue right there with your black and red Nike swoosh right there. Then going up the inside of the shoe, again, we have the white color blocking with your red check. As you guys know, the outside check on the Travis Scott frags is the backwards black one, but we do have 2 standard red swooshes right here that match the color of the shoe. Then it is also in that black, that red tumbled leather, I'm sorry. And then going to the back of the shoe, you do have your red tumbled leather here, and then you have your swoosh guard, I'm gonna call it, in a red tumbled leather, and then you have your red right here. Going into that Wings logo, that is gonna be your standard black Wings logo, and it looks really good. Just looking at this right here, you can see the quality of the shoe. Honestly, I think it's pretty insane. Jordan Brand did a great job with these sneakers. Man, like, these are, honestly, like, I'm being completely honest with you guys, these are some insanely clean sneakers. So much so that I had to double up. I wanted to double up not only because of the project that I want to do with these shoes, but because it is such a nice shoe and it's so slept on. I guarantee you, in a year, maybe even a couple months, these will not be sitting on GOAT for retail. I actually got my second pair on GOAT for retail. There was a torn box, so I got that one. These are clean. These are insanely clean. Going to the sole of the shoe, that midsole is gonna be your white right there with the red bottoms, and you get the red stars in the front, and then you get your standard Jumpman traction right there, standard Air Jordan 1 traction. These shoes are clean. The red on these is very vibrant, it's very pungent. I love it. I don't have a pair of red ones, but I would say that these are probably a little bit lighter than the bread ones, as far as, or maybe just a little bit more saturated than the bread ones. Or maybe it could be the white bouncing off of these, but man, when I tell you in person, these shoes are so clean. Whew. Honestly, I'm very excited to wear them, and I'm also very excited for the project that I'm going to do. I will make sure that I post when I post that other video, but I mean, that's the quick review here. This is a great shoe. If you're lucky enough, you can go to your stores, your local stores, your Foot Lockers, your Shoe Palaces, your JD Sports, and they may have these pairs still sitting in stores. This is an insanely clean shoe, and if you have a chance to cop for retail, I think you should definitely cop it. And also, like a lot of people are doing, this is a blank canvas. This shoe is a completely blank canvas. If you're into customizing your shoes, if you want to do something, you want to try a new project, I would definitely say cop these. It's a blank canvas. You never know what you have until you got it, man. These are an insanely clean shoe. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Also, stay tuned for what I have in store for this shoe. If you like this video, as always, make sure you leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Peace.